Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document on your laptop. Digital signatures offer incredible convenience, saving you time and paper. We will explore simple, effective ways to add your personal mark to any document right from your computer. This process is often quicker than printing, signing by hand, and then scanning. You can complete the entire task in just a few minutes, making your workflow much more efficient. Many laptops come with built-in tools perfect for signing. For example, Mac users can use Preview to draw a signature with their trackpad or capture one using their webcam. Windows users can often use basic image editors to create a signature image, then insert it. This method is straightforward and requires no additional software, allowing you to sign documents in just a few simple steps, often taking less than 1 minute to apply. For PDF documents, which are very common for official paperwork, specialized tools are incredibly helpful. Free PDF readers like Adobe Acrobat Reader allow you to type, draw, or upload an image of your signature directly into the document. Many online services also offer similar functionality, often with just 2 or 3 clicks. These solutions ensure your signature is properly embedded and the document remains secure, ready for sharing. When signing documents digitally, it is important to follow a few best practices. Always ensure the method you choose meets any legal requirements for your specific document. Keep your digital signature files secure, perhaps in a password-protected folder, to prevent misuse. Before signing, take a moment to confirm the document's content and origin. These steps help maintain the integrity and security of your signed documents, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.